Hi, this is Brian Mahoney with the818now.com. I'm going to take you through a quick lesson in Wing Chun Kung Fu that I learned at the California Academy of Martial Arts in Burbank last weekend. That's me on the left, and the guy in much better shape on the right is Paul Daniel. He's an instructor at the school. Step one, know how to step. This was really the basic lesson that I had to learn because you need to know how to plant yourself when you're facing an attacker. And as I learned later on, a lot of Wing Chun sort of comes from the center of your body, so you want to make absolutely sure that you are as stuck still as possible. With the punches, they come right from a middle line that you sort of draw in the middle of your chest. It's a circular motion, and the more you do it, the faster you become. It really takes years of practice and dedication to master these moves and pull them off as easily as Paul did.
So that it's not force against force. It's always redirection of energy and at the same time overwhelming them.
Speaking of redirection, one of the lessons that I learned here was sort of the best offense is a good defense approach. So here Paul's showing me how to redirect someone's punch just by meeting it head on with an open fist. It really helps to put that person off balance where you can come in for more hits. Right here, this is actually one of Bruce Lee's favorite moves, and it really is an effective way to push someone's own inertia against them and move in with a punch of your own. Now, while you're doing this, of course, you have to keep yourself on balance. So what I learned from Paul is that if you keep your weight at about 60% on your back leg and 40% on your front, this frees you up to be able to do some kicks. Now, the real trouble for me came, of course, when he tried to teach me the entire combination, and you had to remember all the new things you learned. But with a few well-placed punches, a few redirects, some kicks, you too can learn Wing Chun. I suggest going to the masters here first and don't just take it from me.